Not every college student is fresh out of high school, and not everyone can pause life for a few years to study. Some are parents, some are changing careers, some are new Canadians starting over in a new country. For them, education isn't just a phase, it's a practical step forward. It needs to lead to something real. That's where career colleges come in. Let's hear from a few students.
Honestly, I almost turned the car around and went home on my first day. Starting over feels different when you've got kids. I chose a career college because the program was shorter and focused. I needed a real job path for me and my family. Healthcare training is tough, but it feels important. The hands-on training in the school labs helped a lot, and my practicum with an employer gave me more confidence. Here, I feel that I am not just a student number. People actually know my name. This path works for my life and my family.
I spent 8 years in the same job, and I knew it was time for a change. I chose a career college because I wanted real skills, not just more theory. In trades, you learn by doing. You build things, you fix things. My instructors actually know me. They see where I struggle and how I improve. Most of us are here for hands-on learning. That's what we're looking for. This approach just fits how I learn.
When I first came to Canada, I had experience from abroad, but no one called me back after I sent my resumes. I realized I needed Canadian training and local experience. I chose a career college because I learned best by doing. The practicum gave me real Canadian work experience I could show employers. Small classes made it easier to ask questions and get help. This path helped me rebuild my life here.
After 11 years in a survival job, I knew I needed a change. Starting over is scary, so I needed a path that leads to a better career and leads there faster. I chose a career college because it gets me job ready sooner. Small classes made a big difference for me. I can ask questions without feeling awkward. Not everyone learns the same way and they're at the same stage of life. This path just works for me.
We hire many career college graduates. They come in job-ready because they've practiced real scenarios during training. We're not starting from zero with them, and that shows. You can see the confidence right away. Across healthcare, trades, and technology, we need more skilled workers, not fewer, and employers rely on various education institutions to build that workforce.
Career colleges expand training capacity. We serve adult and non-traditional learners. We focus on practical, job-ready skills. We help fill real workforce gaps. We've been around for more than a century, and we're still here because the need is real. As long as employers need skilled workers, and adults need practical, faster pathways into real careers, career colleges will continue to exist because we serve a real purpose.